Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn that how to construct a perpendicular bisector of any line segment. Okay, so let's first learn the meaning of perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means 90 degree and bisector means a line which divides a given line segment in two equal parts. This means the perpendicular bisector of any line segment will divide the given line segment in two equal parts, plus it will make an angle of 90 degree. So let us learn it with a rough diagram. So first of all, I am drawing a rough diagram. Then we will learn that how to construct it by using compass. For example, if this is a line segment whose length is 8 centimeter, let's name it AB, and length is 8 centimeter. So its perpendicular bisector will somewhat look like this. This will be the perpendicular bisector of this given line segment. This means it will divide this given line segment in two equal parts. So the half of 8 centimeter will be 4 centimeter. Now this length will be 4 centimeter and this will also be 4 centimeter. Plus it will make an angle of 90 degree. So as you can see, it is making an angle of 90 degree. That's why it is known as perpendicular bisector, because it is perpendicular to the given line segment, plus it is dividing the given line segment in two equal parts. So this is the symbol of perpendicular that we use. Okay, so now we will learn that how to construct it. So for this, first of all, I am drawing a line segment whose length is 15 centimeter. So from 0 we will start till 15. So let's draw it. This is 15 centimeter. Now put the dots on both the sides. Let's name it CD. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this given line segment. For this we will use compass. Take your compass and extend it, and take any length which is more than half of the given line segment. It's not half. Now extend it. Now see, now this length is more than half. It should be more than half, then only we can construct it, otherwise it will be wrong. Now you can easily see this length is more than half of this. So just take it, put it at one end point of the line segment and draw the arcs to the upper side as well as to the lower side. On both the sides we will draw the arcs. Now without changing the length of your compass, just put it on another side. So just let's turn it for a moment. Put it on another side and draw another arcs which are cutting the previous arcs. See now. Now these are the intersection point of these arcs. Now we will join these two. So let's join by using your scale. So I am joining this and I am making a dotted line. See. Okay. Let's name this line L. You can name it. Okay. So now you can see that L is perpendicular to CD. It is making an angle of 90 degree, plus Now we will check that this line will divide this CD in two equal parts. So let's check. See the length of each side. You can see it's from 0 till 7.5 and here also 7.5. So this is just exactly the half of 15 centimeter. So this is 7.5 centimeter and this is also 7.5 centimeter, and the complete length of CD was 15 centimeter. Let's name this point O. So now you can see that CO is equal to OD, which is equal to 7.5 centimeter. This means we have drawn it correctly. Plus L is perpendicular to CD. Okay, or you can name this line. You can give it another name also if you want. For example, give the name on both the sides, both the points, MN. So you can also write that MN is perpendicular to CD, or the reverse is also correct. CD is perpendicular to MN because it's making an angle of 90 degree on all the sides. Okay, so this is 180 degree, and here when we will just write here 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. So this is making an complete angle of 360 degree. So this is the way to draw a perpendicular bisector of any line segment. Okay, so what was the procedure? It's very easy. Just draw the line segment, whatever is given, that length, just draw that. After that, just take the length on your compass which is more than half of the given line segment. After that, put the arcs, draw the arcs on both the sides, and without changing the length of your compass, just put it on another side and draw another arcs which cuts the previous arcs. Then after that, just join these 2 points wherever these arcs are intersecting each other, as I have joined. So this is just a simple way of drawing perpendicular bisector. So I hope that now you understood that how to draw it, and just practice it once more. Thanks for watching.